Continuing from the last video, here's another problem where you're combining two fractions. So the first thing you have to do is look at the denominators. You have to make sure that the denominators are the exact same before you can perform the indicated operation. So when you look at the denominators here, you see that they're the exact same. They're both x minus 5. That means you can combine the two terms now by performing the indicated operation, which in this case is subtraction. So you can rewrite the two terms as one term. You can write the denominator first. It's going to be x minus 5. Then you can go ahead and write all the parts of the numerator. So you have x squared plus 30. You can write the minus 11x at the end. You can also rearrange this now. You can put x squared minus 11x and plus 30 in this order of descending powers, and then you have x minus 5. At this point you've performed the indicated operation. Next you have to express it in lowest terms. So to find lowest terms, you have to factor what you can. At this point you're going to factor the numerator. When you factor that, you get x minus 5 and x minus 6. So that's going to be the numerator. And in the bottom you have an x minus 5, and you can put it in parentheses to more easily see what you're going to do here. Because if you notice, you have an x minus 5 in the top and an x minus 5 in the bottom. That means that you can cancel these two out. And so all you're left with is x minus 6. And that's going to be your answer here. Leave a comment below. Subscribing is free. Click the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.